I'm going to show you an interesting collection of cuboids that I have, starting with the 1x1 custom made from Me, Myself, and Pies tutorial, same with the 1x1x2, and then a custom made 1x2x2 made by Red KB's tutorial, a Rubik's 2x2x2, Rubik's Tower Cube, which is a 2x2x4, and then what should come next is a 2x2x4, or 2x4x4, but I do not own, and then a 4x4x4, which is this, and then the next will be 4x4x8, which I don't have either. So basically what this series is starting from the 1x1, the lowest dimension doubles each time, so this, a 1 doubles, so you have a 1x1x2, and then another 1 doubles, so you have a 1x2x2, and so on. Now, this does create an interesting collection because they have a lot of properties that are in common and a lot of properties that make them go well as a collection. Now, first of all, this one has 6 stickers per cubie. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Obviously, it doesn't actually move, but for the purpose of collection, I have it. This really isn't much of a challenge, but again, it belongs in the collection. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stickers per cubie. This one has 4 stickers per cubie. And then this one has 3 stickers per cubie, obviously corners. And then the trend stops here, sort of. It does have 2 stickers per cubie as it should have, but it also has a few corners which have 3. So it does break the trend, but it continues in a way. It just doesn't have all of its stickers with 2, which would be not much of a cube. And then of course the 4x4 does introduce the 1 stickered cubie, which would be a center, but I don't own that because the cheapest one is pillowed, and I would rather have a normal one, which is $105 on Shapeways, and I don't have that money. So, the other interesting thing about these cubies is when you take all of the cubes that precede the next cuboid in the series, they will be, if you combine all of them, they will have 1 less cubie than the next. So when you combine the first 3, it has 1 less than a 2x2. When you combine the first 4, you have 1 less than the tower cube. You combine all these, you have 1 less than the 2x4x4, which again I don't have. Now, this might clue you into the next property they have, which all of them have 2 to the n number of cubies. This one has 1, this one has 2, this one has 4, this one has 8, this one has 16, the next one has 32, this does have 64 in dimensions, although some of them are inside, making them have new stickers, but if you count the core as cubies, then it does have 64. So this is just in my opinion, an interesting collection of cuboids that look well as, on your shelf. And yeah, thanks for watching.